Almonds are a type of nut that are packed with nutrients and have been associated with a range of health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits of almonds. Heart health. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that can help to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Almonds are a good source of protein and fiber, both of which can help you feel full and satisfied, and may help to prevent overeating. Blood sugar control. Almonds are a low glycemic index food, which means they do not cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. This makes them a good option for people with diabetes or those who want to keep their blood sugar levels stable. Bone health. Almonds are a good source of calcium and magnesium, two minerals that are important for strong bones. Skin health. Almonds contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Brain health. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E and B vitamins, which are important for brain health and may help to improve cognitive function. Digestive health. Almonds are a good source of fiber, which can help to promote regular bowel movements and improve digestive health. It's important to note that while almonds are a nutritious food, they are also high in calories. So, if you're trying to manage your weight, it's best to eat them in moderation.